You run out of patience. Quit being patient. Hello, y'all. I'm Diana Brienne. Well, we've always heard that patience is a virtue, and I truly do believe in that. But I believe in using patience selectively. I believe that not all situations should we be patient in. And I will explain that to you. I am one of the most patient people that I know. I take my time with people, I listen to people, and I try not to respond until I've listened to what they've had to say. And think about what I'm going to say before I say it. At the same time, I believe that there are times in life that some people purposefully take advantage of other people's good nature. And part of that is taking advantage of their patience. And we've often heard the expression that patience has run out or is running out. Well, I believe that there's a time not to be patient. I believe if someone is misusing someone else's patience as a way to get out of obligations, out of commitments, in order to manipulate, in order to be lazy, in order to lie or cheat or whatever, I believe in not being patient with those people. For me, I am very direct with people, and if I see that they're misusing my patience, I will let them know that I've run out of patience and that I'm stepping back in some way. And I always do it in the right way, of course, and yet I believe that often there are people that do take advantage of other people's good nature. They take advantage of other people's patience. And I'm not going to be taken advantage of like that. I believe that we should be patient. I think sometimes in life we have to wait on things. There's a waiting period. And yet there's a time not to wait. I remember many, many years ago, I had a cousin and he applied for a job, one job. He didn't apply for a lot of jobs. He applied for one job. And a year later, someone asked him, "Did you get the job?" He says, "No, I'm still waiting. They haven't called me back yet." Well, they never called him back because he was actually supposed to call them back at some point. But he was being patient, and he was being so patient that he missed out on his opportunity. Of course, he didn't pursue any other jobs in the meantime either, so he was being very, very patient. And in that situation, patience worked against him. In my belief, after a period of time, I believe he should have followed up on that application in some way by making a call or by connecting to the people that he wanted to be hired by. And so sometimes people use patience as a form of escape from having to do the work. And I believe in his situation, he was just lazy. He really didn't want a job. And so I believe that there are times in life that we should be patient, and there are times that we shouldn't be patient. And if someone is misusing our patience, I tend to run out of patience. And so I'm not going to keep doing and doing and doing for someone that can do for themselves. And I believe that often people who can do for themselves often create a scenario that they can't do for themselves. And so we're patient with them as we try to teach them and show them and help them. And they just keep dumping their work on us. And so in situations like that, I'm not patient. I've run out of patience. So yes, patience is a virtue given to the right people who are deserving of patience. And some people truly are deserving of our patience. And we should give patience to them. And yet other people are not deserving of our patience. From my house to yours, may God bless you. And I hope to talk to you soon again. Bye-bye.